Hi, Carol. Hi, Carol. Okay, hi, Carol. Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Okay. So day 28, we're going to talk about gadgets. So we have here, Carol, we have different gadgets. As you can see, we have computer, we have laptop, printer, digital cam, router, headphones, hard drive, microphone, webcam, MP3 player, mouse, diskette, USB stick, and memory card. So these are the different
Good
gadgets
evening,
as you can
teacher.
see. Yeah, good evening. So what gadgets do you usually use here? What gadgets do you usually use? Okay. So what do you think? Okay, the gadgets that you use now. Do you use laptop, computer? Do you use computer? What are you using right now? What are you using right now? You're using laptop?
Teacher, please wait me a minute.
Okay, okay. Di pa inayara tadi. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
Carol, can you hear teacher Anne?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So what digital gadgets do you use right now? What gadgets do you use right now?
I use computer right now.
You using what?
Computer.
Computer. Okay, very good. Okay. So we have here the different gadgets. We have computer. Okay, we have laptop. We have printer. We have digital camera, router, headphones. Okay. We
Oh,
have, yeah, okay. So we have our drive, yeah, gadgets, webcam, mouse, diskette, and USB stick. Okay. Okay, so are you familiar with all of this? The hard drive, the microphone, webcam, mouse, diskette, and USB sticks. Are you familiar with this?
yes, I do.
Okay, very
Yes, I
good.
am.
Okay, so we have here the functions. Okay, I have here a test. Okay, complete the consumer information. Look at this, Carol. Please complete this one. Consumer information card about your own computer use. Example, I use computer for, you check, huh? Check what do you think is the correct.
Yes.
Okay, go.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay. So I use computer for fun, for study. Then I use a computer to surf the net. And of course, to send instant messages. Sorry. Okay, I spend how many hours a week? 31 hours a week. Okay. So compared to other people, I know I don't spend nearly as much time on computer as they do. Okay. So people come to me for help when they have computer trouble. Okay. So here, a lesson, huh? Please listen this, Carol, to the people who talk about how they use their computers. You check each person's activity. Okay? So we have here Devron,
Hey,
Cecilia, Michael, we have Isabel Dewar. Okay? So you have to use how they use their activity. Okay? So these are their activities, this one. Okay? Ready?
Page 104. Exercise B. Listening comprehension. Listen to the people talk about how they use their computers. Check each person's activities. 1. Dave Grant.
I'm kind of a computer addict, actually. I probably spend about 6 hours a day surfing the internet to find interesting websites. And I've joined all kinds of chat rooms, so I spend a lot of time, well, chatting on them as well. And thank goodness for instant messaging. I send instant messages to a lot of people. It's a great way to keep in touch.
Two. Cecilia Rivas.
Lately, I've been pretty busy. Last year, I created my own website to keep in touch with my family. This is a first for me. Anyway, it's been a lot of work. You wouldn't believe it. So I've been scanning tons of photographs onto the website. I've got photos of my family, photos of my friends, photos of my classmates, you name it. I used to surf the internet all the time, but I don't have time for that anymore.
Three. Michael Teo.
I'm the kind of person who sends a few emails once in a while. I surf the internet a little, but not for very long. Mainly, I just use my computer to write. I use it for work, and I use it for my personal life. I'd love to join a chat room, but who's got the time?
Four. Isabel Duar.
Well, I'm a big music fan, so I've been using my computer for a while now to download music files. I'm not sure if it's legal, but everyone's doing it. Yesterday, my sister sent me an attachment. It was a song we both love, and it took forever to download it. It was a big file, but when I listened to it on my headset, it was just great.
Can I listen again?
Now listen again and check your work.
Okay, wait ha. Oh,
1.
you listen again.
Dave Grant.
I'm kind of a computer addict, actually. I probably spend about 6 hours a day surfing the internet to find interesting websites. And I've joined all kinds of chat rooms, so I spend a lot of time, well, chatting on them as well. And thank goodness for instant messaging. I send instant messages to a lot of people. It's a great way to keep in touch.
2. Cecilia Rivas.
Lately, I've been pretty busy. Last year, I created my own website to keep in touch with my family. This is a first for me. Anyway, it's been a lot of work. You wouldn't believe it. So I've been scanning tons of photographs onto the website. I've got photos of my family, photos of my friends, photos of my classmates, you name it. I used to surf the internet all the time, but I don't have time for that anymore.
3. Michael Teo.
I'm the kind of person who sends a few emails once in a while. I surf the internet a little, but not for very long. Mainly, I just use my computer to write. I use it for work, and I use it for my personal life. I'd love to join a chat room, but who's got the time?
4. Isabel Duar.
Well, I'm a big music fan, so I've been using my computer for a while now to download music files. I'm not sure if it's legal, but everyone's doing it. Yesterday, my sister sent me an attachment. It was a song we both love, and it took forever to download it. It was a big file, but when I listened to it on my headset, it was just great.
Okay.
Finish,
Okay, so
teacher.
again. Okay,
No.
finish. Okay, so we have here Dave Brandt. Okay, let us check. Okay, he surfs the net, send messages, and what else? Oh, Cecilia Rivas scans pictures, and of course, has created a website. Michael too. Okay, this one. Michael too surfs the internet, and Isabel Dawar. Okay, 2-1. Okay, now, what is the functions? Again, awit ka. What is the function of each electronic device? What is the function of each electronic device? What do you think? Okay. What do you think are the function of this? Do you know? What are their functions? Okay, can you tell me what are their function? Example, this one. What do you think is the function of the mouse?
I don't
What do you
know.
think is the function of the mouse?
I think the function of the mouse is help help the
Okay, the mouse is the one we use in the
is I think
computer.
the function
Yes, the one we use in the computer. Okay, very good.
of
Okay,
the
how
mouse
about
is
this
help
one? The headset. What is the function of the headset?
again, please.
Okay, what is the function of the headset? What do you think is the function of the headset? Headset, this one, this one, this one. What is the function for this?
I think the function for this headphone is help people listening to music.
Okay, it helps people to listen to music. Okay. Okay, next one. Ask and answers. Okay, teacher Ann will ask. And do you use any gadgets on your daily basis? Do you use do you use gadgets on your daily basis? As mong kanang Samsung nga.
Yes, I do. I use computer.
Okay. Yes, you use computer. Okay. What else aside from computer? What you usually use?
I use a laptop, a
You use a
computer, a
laptop
mouse,
and
a
use
laptop, a computer, and a headphone.
okay, use a laptop, a computer, and a headphone, of course. Okay. Look for. How often do you use internet? How often do you use internet?
I use the
Same cellphone
internet.
sales. Okay, gamitan ko sa VPN ako. How often do you use internet?
I often use internet on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.
Okay, Saturday, Monday. Okay, Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday. Okay. So how about weekends? Do you use internet in the weekend?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes. This one. Okay. Do you own a computer? Do you own a computer? Do you own a computer? Caroline?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so
I have a computer.
okay, you have computer.
Yes.
Wait lang. Okay. If so, how often do you use your computer? How often do you use your computer?
I often use computer twice a day.
Twice a day?
Yes.
Okay, so it means 3 times a day. So what time do you use computer? What time do you use your computer?
I use computer at
Morning, afternoon, what
at
time?
I use the computer in the morning and in the evening.
Okay, in the morning and in the evening. Okay, that's good. Okay, so this. What purpose do you use your computer? What purpose do you use your computer? Okay, what purpose do you use your computer?
Uh, I use computer for study and surf the internet or chat with my friends.
Okay, you chat with your friends. Okay. So do you have Zillow account? Do you have
Yes,
Zillow account?
yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. Hey, now, do you think we need to know much about computers? Do you think we need to know much about computers? Do you
Yes, I
think
do.
we need to know more about computers? Do you have idea
Yes,
why we need to have much more about computer?
because computers have be- because computers help us to to find find the information
Okay, so we need computer
um,
to
and watch the video to relax.
Okay, wait ha, just a minute. Send ako. Okay, do you think we need to know much about computers?
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. So it's very important that we need to know much about computers. Here, what is the most impactful piece of technology in our lives? What is the impact of technology? Okay, example, we are using technology every now and then. Internet, computer, and a lot of more. Okay, so we're using technology. What do you think is the impact of technology? What do you think is the impact of technology in our lives today?
I think the technology in our lives.
Lives. What is the impact of technology in our lives?
I think the technologies in our lives are
Okay, what is the impact of technology in our lives? What is the effect or advantage? Example advantage. What is positive of having technology?
think the technologies are grow strongly in our lives.
Okay. Okay. How about negative? What is the negative effect of technology in our lives? What is the negative effect of technology in our lives? What do you think is the negative effect of technology in our lives?
I don't know.
Okay, negative. What is negative of technology in our lives? What do you think is the effect of technology in our lives? What is the effect of technology in our lives? Do you think there is an effect of technology in our lives? Do you think there's an effect technology in our lives? Yes or no? Is there effect of technology in our lives? Hmm? Is there effect? Is there an effect of technology in our lives?
Yes.
Yes, there is. Okay, technology in our lives sometimes bring us being good. Okay, we can benefit because we can communicate, we can talk in the internet, we can search, we can do research, we can watch movie. But there is a effect. There's a bad effect. Okay, what do you think is the bad effect? Okay, bad effect of technology in our lives. What is the bad effect of technology in our lives? Bad effect. What is the effect of technology in our lives? Effect.
Don't know.
The effect of technology in our life. What do you think is the effect of technology in our life? It is, what do you think is the effect of technology in our lives? Do you think there is an effect of technology in our life? Do you think there is? Hmm? Do you think? Yes or no?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. No, you don't. There is an effect, bad effect of technology also. If we keep on watching movie, if we keep on uh exploring in the computer, okay, there is an effect of technology in our lives. That makes us bad. Okay, now here. Here, Carol, how computers affect our everyday life? Look at them. They are working on computers. How does it affect in our everyday life? How does computer affect in our everyday life?
The, the computers help people to find and to find some information and download files. I think
Okay.
I think the computers are convenient for people to use, but if you use the computers, but if you often use the computer a lot, you you can
Okay.
you can tired and visual impairment.
Okay, yes, that's it. Okay. discuss about benefits of internet. What are the benefits of internet? Okay, you tell me, huh? In the chat box, Carol, very good. You have to tell me what are the advantages of internet. Why we use internet. Here, these are the disadvantages. What is bad in using internet? Okay, you write in the chat box. Okay, you write in the chat box.
Okay.
Na, 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 na.
Finish, teacher.
Let me see. The advantages, you can find some information, correct, and download file. It's very convenient for people to use computers for work, for study, and for relaxing. Disadvantages, the computers can have virus on it. Okay, correct. You can cheat by other people. You can cheat through computer. Okay. You can cheat to other, not by huh? You can cheat to other people, not by other people. You can chat to other people using the computer, of course. Okay? So, Caroline, okay, we don't have enough time. I will see you on when again? Are you free tomorrow, Caroline? Tomorrow, are you free?
No, I don't.
How
I'm
about
free
Sunday?
on
Monday,
Mon
okay. Monday.
Monday.
Yeah, I will see you on Monday, the same time, 7 p.m. Okay, Carol?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for tonight, Carol. I will see you on Monday. Okay, bye-bye for now.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you on Mondays.
Okay, 7 p.m. again, okay? 7 p.m.
Okay.
again. Okay, bye-bye. Good night.
Goodbye.
Happy New Year, Caroline.